Hi everyone, happy National Read a Book Day. I'm Briony from Pages of Joy, and to celebrate this day I'm going to read you The Marvellous Fluffy Squishy Itty Bitty by Beatrice Alemagna. My name is Edith, but my friends call me Eddie. I'm 5.5 years old. My dad speaks 5 languages. My mum has a lovely singing voice. My sister is a brilliant ice skater. But I'm not very good at anything. Nothing much at all. Or at least that's what I used to think. One morning, I heard my sister saying the words present, mum, birthday, fluffy, squishy, itty, bitty. Oh dear, I thought. She was going to buy an amazing present for mum. Now I should get her a present too. But what should I get? Quick, off to Bruno's bakery. He sells all sorts of delicious things. I bet he can help me. Hi Bruno, do you have a fluffy squishy itty bitty for sale?
A fishy squidgy what? Sorry Eddie, that doesn't sound very tasty,
said Bruno.
But I do have some lovely warm sticky buns. Would you like to take one with you?
With the bun in my bag, I went to visit Indy, who has the prettiest flower shop in town. A fairy squirty what? Said Wendy. That sounds like a very strange plant indeed. But here's a 4-leaf clover. Take it with you. It might bring you luck. Mimi's fashion shop was full of furry, feathery things. Surely I would find a fluffy, squishy, itty bitty there. A frilly, swishy what? Said Mimi. That doesn't sound very stylish to me. Here, take this instead. It's much prettier. It was a pearl button. My search wasn't going very well. So I decided to go and see the most stylish person I know. My friend Emmett at the antique shop.
A floppy squashy what?
Said Emmett.
Sorry Eddie, there's nothing like that in here. But here's something much better. A 3-penny green, it's a very rare stamp. I'm sure your mum will love it.
An old stamp? I wasn't having very much luck. I wandered down the street, but nobody knew where I could find a fluffy, squishy, itty bitty. In the town square, I saw Theo in his butcher's shop. He was my last hope. A flabby squeaky what? Yelled Theo, pointing his big nasty finger at me.
I'm far too busy to answer your silly questions today.
Go away and bother somebody else. Busy cues. Eek! I was so scared that I ran away as fast as my legs could carry me. Then it started to snow. Feeling cold and sad, I looked for somewhere to shelter. Then I heard a noise from up on the roof. It sounded like giggling. I couldn't believe it, but there it was. What an adorable creature. Not very tasty, not very stylish, but fluffy, squishy, strange and rare. It was a real fluffy, squishy, itty bitty, the perfect present, and useful for so many things. A cushion, a scarf, pot plant, could be a back scratcher, an amazing hat, treasure hunter, feather duster, a work of art, a paintbrush. Using the sticky bun that Bruno had given me, I tried to lure the fluffy, squishy, itty bitty down from the roof, but suddenly it slipped and crash! It dropped into a dustbin, just as Quentin the dustman was collecting the rubbish. I begged him to open it.
Don't be silly,
Said Quentin. I'm not opening a bin for a bit of old rag. What I needed was good luck. I reached into my pocket to touch Wendy's 4-leaf clover, and Emmett's old stamp fell on the ground. Suddenly Quentin turned round.
Hey, what's that?
Asked Quentin. It's a 3-penny green, I said. It's very rare.
Wow, I don't have one of those in my stamp collection, he said. Will you sell it to me?
I won't sell it, but I will swap it for what's in that bin, I said. Oh, yuck! The fluffy, squishy, itty bitty had rolled around in the bin, and now it was all smelly. I could give it a bath, but where? There was a fountain in the square, but I'd need a coin to switch it on. But there was no money in my pockets, just the pearl button that Mimi gave me. Well, it was worth a try. I put the button in the slot and waited. A few seconds later, the fountain began to spin. Beautiful jets of water sprayed out all around. It was just like magic. Everyone clapped their hands and gave the fluffy, squishy, itty bitty a good wash. What a day it had been. I'd done something that nobody else had done before, and I'd finally found out what I was good at. I was the best fluffy, squishy, itty bitty finder in the world. Back at home, Mum was delighted. What a marvellous present! It's fluffy, it's squishy, and it's itty bitty. Was it you who found this? Yes, Mum, I said, with a little help from my marvellous friends. I wonder if you've been able to spot a marvellous, fluffy, squishy, itty bitty here. Thanks for watching.